Hey everyone, welcome to my UVic's residence tour. Today we'll be checking out some of the housing styles here at UVic. Why don't you come on with me? Oh, I love your room.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I really like it. It's just a perfect amount of space. I got a desk where I can do some homework, perfect room for a fridge, and then lots of storage space, so yeah.
Oh, so well organized. Nice.
Thank you. Yeah, and then there's also tons of storage space under the bed too.
And the beds themselves, they're extra long?
Yes, extra long, lots of room. Cool, so just around the corner from my room, we have a single occupancy washroom, which is super convenient. In this corner, we have a little bit of a kitchen. You can make some popcorn. And then we have a TV, a couple couches for lounging and hanging around.
So this is a female bathroom, and last time I checked, I'm obviously not a woman. So I'm gonna hand it over to community leader Maddie, who's gonna take you right through.
Thanks a lot, Kyle. If you guys want to follow me, I'm just gonna quickly show you around these bathrooms. So like Kyle said, we do have one on each floor, and they are communal. So on the first floor, we have a male bathroom, as well on the next two floors, we do have females. And as you can see, we have tons of space for all of our residents. You can see we have 3 to 4 sinks that they can use, as well as tons of mirror space. We got some bathroom stalls over here. So it's pretty amazing to see how much space there is, as well as how many people can use this bathroom at once. We have the shower area right here. So our residents here are actually all around the hallway. So this stands right in the middle. And so we can actually access this bathroom from where we came in. And we can also access it from right over here. Thank you very much, and back to you, Kyle.
Awesome, thanks Maddie. Now we're currently in a double room. This is Noel's, in fact, and we're gonna have an opportunity to interview him. Hey Noel, how's it going?
I'm good, how are you?
Pretty good. Has living in res helped you in your transition from living at home?
Yeah, I definitely couldn't imagine living off of res for my first year just because everything's super close, food is super close, classes are close, my friends are close, so yeah, it's definitely a home for me.
So this is the leadership floors lounge, and as you can see, it's a pretty cool space. It might be the coolest lounge on campus. A lot of what's being done here was actually done by the residents in this community. So they all came together, they bought this pool table.
Could you say they pooled their money to buy this pool table?
You could say that.
All right, now we're in the first floor of Ring Road to have a look at a laundry room. Almost every res building has its own laundry room. So brush up on those laundry skills before you arrive. Okay, we're gonna be looking at a townhouse style of living right now in Cluster. We're right here to see my friend Hannah, so let's see if she's home.
Hey Kyle.
Hey Hannah, how's it going?
Good, how are you? Welcome to the granola cluster.
Thank you.
So first of all, we've got our living room area here. Pretty casual, and then if you follow us right this way, this is the kitchen and the dining room area where we spend lots of time cooking. My lovely roommates here hanging out. Then if you follow me this way, I can show you the rest of the first floor. We've got lots of cupboards and storage space. Maybe if you want to open up the pantry there. Got a good stash of food going on. Perfect. And then right this way on the first floor, we've also got 2 bedrooms, Maddie's and my own. Follow me right in here if you want to take a look. So this is my room. So we've got 1 bathroom on the first floor, and there's another one upstairs. You can follow me that way. So we've got 2 more bedrooms, a second bathroom as well, and then some extra closet space.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed our residence video and you found it informative. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Facebook group, My First Year at UVic, and you can post your questions there. Now, from my home to yours, I'll see you later.